to the app and go to where it says Ask Swift. Click on it and ask the software to write a particular thing for you. Let's say, write a book on relationship management and click send. Just watch. It's going to give you information about a book on relationship management. Just watch. All right, so you can see title: relationship management strategy for strengthening connection and maintaining positive relationships. So it's actually writing the book right now. Okay, it's writing the book. So that is how to go about it.